Shadow work, tips and tricks to make your spiritual journey easier. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't. When we talk about shadow, most people perceive it as dark and filled with negative and dark associations. Because of this, they believe that shadow work is a shady spiritual practice that comprises the negative and threatening aspects of our being. The shadow might be seen as dark because we are made of light and dark elements, but there's no way to exist without it. Therefore, shadow work is a process of inner alchemy, in which you bring those unwanted parts to the surface to purify, heal, and integrate into yourself. We have no reason to be scared of ourselves in shadow. In essence, the unfeeling and disowned parts of our being that our ego does not see, recognize, and accept. The aspect of your being that is not exposed to the light of your consciousness. Shadow work deals with all those experiences that we're not so proud to share with others. These could be what happened to you that you swore to never bring up again, thereby suppressing them from your conscious mind. Or maybe they're the experiences that have affected you so much that the reaction you have to specific situations in your current life stems from a subconscious learned behavior from your past. Shadow work makes sure to bring all those experiences to the light. To make your spiritual journey easier, there's real work to be done to bring out your true purpose. This experience is never easy, but there are tips and tricks which you can use to make your journey to your spirituality easier. Remember that the human brain is wired to get two reactions in a situation. These are called fight or flight. So the first step is to approach the problem consciously. It won't be easy, but the experience is continuous. But as the experience continues, the closer you get to your higher self. So it would be best if you never allowed it to discourage you. Always remember that as long as you're on this earth, there's work to do. If your first reaction to the situation is to fight, then make sure to overcome your fears, because if you do not, you will destroy good things around you, such as your relationships. So you have to know when you're going overboard with your zest to fight, and try to find the trigger in the situation. Ask yourself these questions. Why was I triggered? Am I acting out of emotions? This disorder I'm creating, will it align with my higher self? Once you answer these questions, you'll see that you become calm and take a different route. But if your initial reaction is to run, you have to work on not taking actions out of fear and panic, because if you run away from something out of fear, you're more likely to destroy yourself and everything you've worked for. What do you do in this situation? Take a moment and remind yourself that everything you want is on the other side of fear. That this is precisely what you've been looking for. Then ask yourself if you're worthy of the life that you're manifesting. Once you can get your mind into these thoughts, you will run away from those challenges. Once you can understand your reaction and follow these tips, it will help you master your shadow work, thus making your spiritual journey easier.
I hope that you enjoyed the explanation. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of subsequent updates. Thanks for watching!